Shraddha. I love natural products and talk a lot about on my channel. I remember when I was in school, my mother used to make this natural shampoo which was indeed little tricky but worth it. And today we are so blessed to have it in a powdered form as well. To use it and prepare this in two different ways. So let's see how to make it. Let's see the first method of using it. I have taken 1 cup of henna. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of amla powder, which is also called the Indian gooseberry. Now we take 1 teaspoon of Reetha powder and 1 teaspoon of Shikakai powder. Mix all these ingredients together with water and form a perfect consistency. Amla powder is the best fruit for your hair, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, keep hair healthy and prevents hair fall, dandruff, itching as well. This pack is a natural hair dye which eliminates premature hair graying. You can also add coffee to get a perfect brown color. Now once you mix all of these ingredients together, cover it for 2 to 3 hours, then apply it on your hair for more 2 hours and wash it off. Method 2, we are going to prepare a natural shampoo. For that we need 2 big cups of water. In this water we are going to add all the 3 powders, namely amla powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of Reetha powder and 1 teaspoon of Shikakai powder. Mix all of these 3 ingredients together so that we don't form any lumps in it. Soak this overnight. Next morning, boil it for 10 to 15 minutes and then turn off the gas flame. Reetha powder lather mildly while cleanses hair and scalp thoroughly. Regular use brings natural luster and shine, which makes hair appear healthy and thicker. Shikakai powder is the most perfect element in the trio, which helps your hair in absorbing the goodness of amla and Reetha. Now once the water cools down, we will strain it with a strainer in a very clean and dry bottle. You can store this bottle in a refrigerator. Once the shampoo is ready, you can apply it on your hair like a normal shampoo. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. So friends, it's so simple and easy to use. Believe me friends, once you start using these powders, you will not need any conditioners, hair smootheners, volumizers or shampoos. This will also take care of your dandruff, flaky scalp, premature hair graying and hair fall, which is a very big concern. It is so magical that anybody from the age of 6 up to the age of 85 can use it without any side effects. Hope you use this in your daily routine. Thank you so much guys. This is Shraddha signing off. Take care, stay safe. Bye.